In this video, we're going to be going through the Raz-Kids Login. So I have not completely finished adding text here for you, but let me just go ahead and walk you through Login. I have the link embedded right here for you, so you'll be able to click on the Raz-Kids icon and straight into the login. In addition, with our Clever login, you will see a Raz-Kids icon from here also. Now, Raz-Kids is not affiliated with Clever, so although you can click straight to the link right here, it doesn't automatically log your child in. Okay, so here is the page that it sends you to, and right here you will just have to find your child's ID number. It's the same as their lunch number, their ID number, whatever you want to call it. If you have forgotten what that is, go over to your student parent login sheet, look at Raz-Kids, and it has their number listed here. Okay? Now, Raz-Kids is a website that we are going to be using daily. The county wants us using it Monday through Friday for our document. This will be your guided reading section. So in here, your child will have a book read to them. You guys will read it together, and there'll be a short quiz on it at the end. All right, take a look at it today. Log in. It's just an explore day. There are no assignments for you yet. So let me know if you have any issues with it, and I'll see you on another video.